Hello guys. When you didn't settle for less while dreaming big, why compromise while picking your study resources? DreamBack 4.0 is the promise of a perfect learning experience for the ones who dare to dream big and don't settle for less. PrepLadder 4.0 has new updated video lectures, next-oriented, module-based learning for a unified preparation, high-yielding Q bank, notes with amazing features like prep nuggets, important information boxes, and much more. Don't just witness the revolution, be a part of it, and that too at an unbelievable price, along with 2 months additional validity. Offer coupon NNS4988. But this too good to be true kind of deal won't wait for too long. Avail the early bird offer to get this fantastic deal and don't delay because it is valid for only the first 1,000 subscribers. Keep learning and own your dream.